This video is to show you how to review the AI-generated follow-up emails for you post-call that exists with Revenue.io. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a recent call that I had. So to access that, I'm going to go in the Conversation AI platform to my profile and recent conversations. I'm then going to look at this Google Meet meeting that I had with a few members of the Square team. You'll notice at the top that there's a tab here called Follow-up Email. This is the first place that I can access the AI-generated follow-up email, where Revenue AI has actually created for me a follow-up email that I could send to Victoria, Simi, and Lauren to review the call that we had. I would recommend that you review these follow-up emails for typos or anything that you'd like to edit. I don't believe that they are ready to send with zero human intervention, but I have found personally that it takes my follow-up email time from about 10 minutes before this feature to about 90 seconds with this feature. We don't only put it here because this is a little bit cumbersome to get it sent out. We also put it in your email itself. When you go to Gmail and you go to the drafts folder, you'll see here that the exact same thing that I was accessing within the Conversation AI platform is here within my Revenue.io drafts. I'm going to make my edits. For example, I would never start an email by saying everybody's full name. Instead, I would say, hey, Victoria, Simi, and Lauren. And I'm going to read through, make the edits that I'd like to make, delete the Conversation AI link at the bottom, and now I'm ready to go ahead and hit send. That's the two ways that Revenue AI provides you with follow-up emails that can help you be a lot more efficient when you're finishing your calls and following up with everybody that you speak with. Thanks for watching.